Frozen and forgotten. A child left to die in a snowstorm, but life had other plans. Before I continue the story, please subscribe for more real stories like this. Search teams combed the mountains. Nothing. 3 days, no food, no fire. The blizzard raged on. But then, a muffled sound under the snow. Beneath a fallen tree, buried in snow, they found him, barely alive. His body temperature, 20 DEC. The doctors said survival was impossible. But somehow, he held on, defied death, with nothing but willpower, frozen and forgotten. But life found a way.